In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at RedNote, the app that's making waves as a potential alternative to TikTok. Is it really the TikTok replacement we've been waiting for? Let's dive in and find out. So, what is RedNote? RedNote is a short-form video platform that recently gained traction as TikTok's new competitor. With TikTok being banned in the United States, RedNote has a sleek interface, creator-friendly features, and a focus on privacy. RedNote is positioning itself as a fresh, user-first alternative. But does it live up the hype? So let's break that down in this video. So let's start with the user interface. First, we're going to open our RedNote app. So let's look at the interface. RedNote's interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. It is a bit like TikTok, as you can see, but it has fewer distractions. And the feed algorithm is designed to prioritize diverse content rather than just promoting viral trends, giving smaller creators more visibility. So most of the nodes we're seeing in this page, on the Explore page, are small creators, so they will have a bigger chance to go viral. And one thing I love, the app is designed to be less addictive, with subtle reminders to take breaks, something TikTok could definitely learn from. And you also have, for example, teen modes, where you can just enable modes like this. It is still in Chinese, but it will change to English very soon. But you can put timers and limits on the app, and that's something that can really be handy. So let's move on. What are the features for creators? So RedNote offers better monetization options. Creators can earn more directly through revenue sharing programs, unlike TikTok, which often requires sponsorships. So, creative tools. The app has a wide range of filters, effects, and music options, but it also introduces exclusive tracks you won't find anywhere else. Transparency. RedNote's analytics are easier to understand, helping creators grow their audience with clear insights. And let's go to the privacy. This is where RedNote really shines at the moment. So let's go to our settings and then go to our privacy settings. And unlike TikTok, which has faced scrutiny for its data practices, RedNote takes a more privacy-friendly approach, storing less user data and being transparent about what's collected. Additionally, the platform promotes a safer community by involving users in content moderation and flagging inappropriate posts. And as you can see in here, we have a lot of privacy settings, and this actually gives more settings than you have on TikTok. So that's a big advantage from RedNote. But now the big question is RedNote the replacement for TikTok? So if you're looking for a platform that values creativity, transparency, and privacy, RedNote is definitely worth checking out. And of course, because of the TikTok ban in the United States, it is a really good moment to try out the app. But however, TikTok's massive audience and advanced features mean it's still the go for mainstream trends for now. And of course not in the United States because it is not available there. So you can say that RedNote might not fully replace TikTok yet, but it's a solid contender and a great option for those that are seeking something fresh. So is RedNote the TikTok killer? Maybe not yet, but it's a great substitution for the TikTok that's being banned in the United States. And also for people outside of the United States, it is a really good moment to try this app out because it is fresh, it is gaining a lot of popularity at the moment. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.